welcome to Pearl Property. Today I'm around Mabprachan area, which is around 5 minutes from Mabprachan Lake and around 10 minutes to Sukhumvit Road of Pattaya. Behind me is the 2-story new build modern house. Let's see the detail inside. So this is the entrance of the house. They have gate here. There are 2 parking space. Modern design house with 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom. But 1 bed now designed to be office, so you can also change to be a bedroom. Behind of parking space, you have nice big swimming pool, which is 8 meter long and 4 meter wide. You have this terrace as a front, so you can use as a relax zone, outdoor, chill zone, or you can put as a sofa, sunbed. This is the main entrance of the house. They use door lock for finger scan or passcode. Let's see the house inside. So when you come inside the house, you will find the living space here, like welcome zone. You have L-shaped sofa, built-in TV, and you have high ceiling here where you can get like nice chandelier and the light in curved design of the entrance to the another living. Actually, this room you can also design to be another bedroom because it's quite big space. If you don't need more living room or if you need another living room, this one is also nice. You have the door where you can exit to the swimming pool area and big TV here. One more room is working room, already built in for your office, so you can use this one as an office. You can also change this one to be the bedroom for children or for elderly people, or you can make like big master bed downstairs here. This one is kitchen zone. You have dining table here, ceiling tile aircon, and this one like counter, like bar zone, so you can have coffee machine, your drink here, fridge, and this is kitchen zone. So you have U-shaped kitchen with this one for dish, washing machine, and a lot of cabinet. This is laundry zone, so you can use outdoor to be a laundry area. The house does not have hob and hood yet, but anyway, this one you can add on. And this is guest bathroom. So if you make ground floor to have 1 more bedroom, you can also use this bathroom because have shower room, sink, toilet, and everything ready with the white marble design. This is the way to 2nd floor. What I like is the stair and the light between the staircase at night. Beautiful. This is 2nd floor, so there are 3 bedrooms on 2nd floor, and the floor is the wood color design. Okay, this one is not real wood, it's parquet wood. This one we consider as master bedroom, I would say, because you have big wardrobe for your clothes, you have bathroom, this is a slide door for bedroom zone. Big bed here, beautiful lamp and headboard with LED light, and the bedside table with the charger of the telephone function. You have the balcony where you can see the swimming pool. You have quite nice ceiling design with the round and then have LED light inside. So you have big walkway here, you can see the lamp and then outside garden. Next bedroom, you have king size bed with nice lamp design, the same, and the built-in with the light. Ceiling quite nice. This is the built-in for TV, so you can just put the TV on the wall, and wardrobe zone, vanity table, and the bathroom with the gray tile design. Sink here, rain shower. This is the smallest one, so you have queen size bed. This is for TV. You have small balcony, and the ceiling is same as all other rooms. It looks nice with the round design. You have wardrobe, vanity table for your makeup, and this is a storage for your clothes. Bathroom with the gray color of the marble tile and the rain shower, so all room pretty similar. this is all the house today, what I show you. So if you love to buy a modern house, 2-story and 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom with all fully furnished with 14.9 million. If you love Mabprachan area, just 5 minutes to Mabprachan Lake and 10 minutes to Sukhumvit. This is nice choice. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will show you nice house and condo around Pattaya. Wait to see next week where I'm gonna go. So many mistakes, crushing my system.